Most gas users typically run two 45 kg bottles, a main and a reserve, to ensure a continuous supply. So when one bottle runs out, we can replace it with a full one while you use gas from the other. With an automatic regulator, we recommend you leave both bottles turned on at all times to maximise the amount of gas available to run your appliances. So when supply is limited in one bottle, gas can be drawn from the other. Our delivery driver will leave both valves turned on, unless you tell us otherwise. You can see if you still have gas in both bottles, as the indicator will either be green or clear, depending on the type of automatic regulator installed. If the indicator has turned red, it means you only have one gas bottle supplying your gas and it's time to order a refill. Remember to check often for a red indicator, and don't wait until your second bottle runs out to place an order. The indicator also tells the driver which bottle to replace. You don't need to handle or reset anything. So just to recap, when you have enough gas, the indicator on the regulator will be green or clear. When you don't have enough, it will be red, and that's your cue to order a refill. However, sometimes things aren't quite what they seem. When you use several gas appliances all at once, or the weather is particularly cold, the pressure in the bottles can drop and cause a temporary changeover from the main to the reserve bottle. If you suspect high use or cold weather may be the cause of your red indicator, then check it again the next day, turning off all gas appliances before you check. If it's still red, order a refill. Head online to find out more about Genesis bottled gas. Genesis, with you, for you.